Hey y'all, it is raining cats and dogs down here in South Mississippi, so I figured it'd be a good evening to come out to the shop and finish up some projects. This afternoon we're going to be putting some metal coatings on some deadheads I had brought to me a while back to finish them up, and I'm going to show you how I do it. I'm using this Sculpt Nouveau bronze color. They do have a lot of colors on there to choose from, but it works really good and looks good. So we're about to go ahead and put it on this one. I already got the black spray paint. It's a primer the other day I did. You're gonna dab it. And it literally doesn't take a lot on the paintbrush to do it at all.